Welcome all. It's Venkatesh from ElectroPro. We all see today how to use ElectroPro dashboard. Hope you all got the credentials for like register for the course or any service of ElectroPro. So you are going to get some credentials through your mail. That is no reply mail from ElectroPro. Once you access that, once you got the credentials like username and password, so we'll see how to use the dashboard and what are the features in it. When you click on the link which is given to you, that is electroproglobal.in. Okay, if you click on this login page will be open, and where you need to type your ID 20IN. It starts like this: DLS 002 or whatever it is. Password password will be as per you. One you get default password, and you need to change once you log in into it. Please look careful about the capital and small letters. Okay. As soon as you enter into open dashboard, the opening screen will be like this, and project ideas, and the side you have listings. So this is your account. I have created account to Savyasri. Okay, here you can change your password. You can type some password, and you can change it here. Okay, click on change, and you can go back to login and login again. If you have any problem regarding site or any update, if you are facing any problem in this dashboard, you can click on report problem. So it will go to a support mail, and the people will be answering your questions shortly. Okay, so comes to profile. As soon as you enter, you will get a profile like this. This will basic information will be default entered by our team, a person. Then you can click on education information. Then you can click on this arrow, and there will be a plus button to be added. Okay, you need to add your education details here. So for better understanding of us to provide you the best service. Okay, skills if any any kind of skill you have. Okay, like you already did some robotic level one course or level two course, or you have some other technical course. You have a skill in C, C++, Python, whatever it is. So you can upgrade. This is like a creating your profile, and you can showcase this to any other interview also. Because it's kind of technology platform, so you are going to create a profile here. So you need to upload your resume. If you have resume, if you have any file or any document about yourself and your achievements, you can upload that here. Okay, it will help us to for graduates and engineers. It will help us to refer to the people, refer to the consultants, if we come across any employment opportunities. We may refer to them. If you have your profile field, we can suggest them. That's the thing. Okay. As soon as you click on profile pic, here you're going to notify that change your profile pic or something. So you just as soon as you enter, you change the profile pic here. Okay. You can click on something, and you can upload it here. Suppose it may be like this. Okay. You can upload it. It will reflect here. You can notice here, this will be the ID card of you. You can view this ID card. Okay. So certificate, when it comes to certificate, as when you complete the certification, or when you complete a course or something after assessment of techno professional, of our company, certificate will be available here in this slot. Okay, so you can download and you can use that certificate. When it comes to chart room, this will be the chart room. This is a group where all the people will be added here. So you can post any queries or any technical queries if you have any screenshot kind of things and all. So people will be out there will reply to it. This is individual chart. So you can communicate with your employee or trainer directly. So he's the trainer. This trainer details, trainer ID. This is so you can type something like. Hello, sir. I have a doubt regarding obstacle robot. Even you can share your files there so that they will verify and screenshot or kind of file. Click attach. So you can click post your video, file or image. Okay. After this, you need to click send here. Suppose I'm going to send this. Okay. So like this, you can send. You can send. They will verify and they will come to you back. This is individual chart. You can chat with your trainer. This is the open group where you can post queries, any doubts. Other people will, other students, trainers will join you and they will add you. They will reply to you. When it comes to projects, as you are going to have sub assignments in this course, in every course you're going to have assignments. Suppose if you are registered for a 5-day WhatsApp class or any full-time course, so you need to submit your assignments here under project section. Okay, so you need to click on plus here. So you're going to add projects like a project name. Skill 1 assignment. I'm going to submit here. No spaces should be there. Date 14th and date will be the 15th. If that project lasts for 3 days or 4 days, you can start it. You can fix it, start it and end date, and you can edit it later. As per you can edit it and you can update it. Okay. So here I'm going to submit my skill 1 assignment is about giving sense of LED and resistor. Also tester output. Simulation tool. Like this you can. So if you associate it with any, like associated with the simulation tool or any software, anything you are using for better understanding of the people, those who are going to utilize this and see this simulation tool or any Arduino or AVR Studio. If you use any tools or kind of thing, you just mention here. And creators, if you are going to use anybody support for doing this project, you can just check that and you can add. So I'm going to add Kartikeya. So he's I'm taking it. He's supporting me in this. So like, if we take any friend support from this group, so if you have registered for Electropro, so you can mention their IDs there. Okay. Comes to project file. If you have data, more data to submit, more coding or everything, you can save those files in a Word file, and you can submit it here. I'm just simply taking some image. That's like this. Okay, just click on submit. Okay, this will be available in your project section and also in the projects view. So what is the projects view? Whoever submitted, see, skill one assignment is created by your ID. This is my ID. Your ID will be displayed here. So someone submitted yesterday. Okay, you can see the assignments and you can go through these and you can come to know what others are doing so that you can take their help and you can instead of creating new you can duplicate that and for learning purpose. Okay, this will be useful and yeah, this will be useful in upgrading yourself and following the technical trends and what others are doing. So if it is difficult to you, so you can follow these steps and in project and you can value this and you can do it on your own. When it comes to files, so this is kind of a Google Drive to Electro Pro. So in this home folder, you can upload files here, your own files. Okay, anything. So I'm going to upload this. Okay, this will be here. So you can share with your friends. Click on select this and right click on it. Share. Just enter 2020 or else you directly enter their ID completely. If you don't know their ID, then you can. So whoever you are connected, they will display here. Okay, so I'm going to share now. Click on share. If someone sends you the same file like this, it will be prepared here in shared folder. Okay, if you want to reshare this again, you need to download and you can add it. You need to add it in the home folder, and then you can share it. Okay, this is how you can share any of your files, any technical related files. If it is not visible, home folder is not visible to anyone. So shared folder also, but you can see the other people who shared your files, share files with you. You can save all your work information here. If you're working on some project or multiple projects or something, you can save your work and you can view it later. Instead of saving in computer, you can save it here. So idea sharing. If you have any unique idea that that you want management to support that idea, so you can directly share your idea here. This will be this will directly this won't be visible to any kind of admin country head. It directly goes to super admin. Super admin will be able to see this and he will get back to you. Okay, you can. It will be unique idea. So you wanted company to support you. If it is a unique project, you want company to fund. It is a startup idea. You want company to support you in this. If that is the case, if it is completely unique, if it is a project, you can share it in a projects folder. If it is completely unique, you can share it here. Like cleaning robot. I want to make some cleaning robot. Okay, what it has to do, it will do cleaning, sanitizing, In perfume. Yeah. So maybe any other you it may do. It any other it will do. Okay. So you can list out something unique here. What you want to tell about your product, and complete description you can attach here. This is like a outline, and this is complete depth description, and you can add file file here. Okay, you can submit it. So type something. This robot moves in and around the place. On the plane. Okay, so you should not leave this space empty. So click on submit. Submit. Once you submit this, this will go to the super admins panel directly. So you will be able to see this, and he will be contacting you. Okay. Yeah, that is the people will support you in this. If you have a really unique idea, okay, unique idea, and you wanted to get support, so you can try this. So this is how the dashboard will be. So you have one project and one ideas. You can monitor here how many projects you submitted and how many ideas you have submitted. In chat room, you can chat with the people, and personally you can chart this. Chart with your trainer. If you have any really technical doubt, so if you are doing any kind of project, you can take support here. Okay. So hope this helps you, and start submitting your assignments, and start using this chat room on projects folder, and start submitting assignments. Start submitting ideas also. So all the best, guys. Well, hope you got some idea about how to access ElectroPro dashboard. Please start using it. We'll meet you in the next video.